पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी ने जो अपना ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड जस्ट अभी रिलीज़ किया था फ्यू डेज़ बैक, उसी में पूरी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बच्चों को डाउट्स आ रही हैं, जिसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा बच्चों ने डाउट्स पूछे थे मुझसे। तो इसी को लेकर के मैंने एक सेपरेट वीडियो जो है बनाने का फ़ैसला किया और वो मैं लेकर आ गया हूँ आप सभी के सामने। तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कंप्लीट हर एक पॉइंट क्लियर करने वाला हूँ एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड। जो भी हमारे एसपीपीयू ने एग्ज़ाम्स लेने का फ़ैसला किया है ऑनलाइन, वो प्रॉक्टर्ड होने वाला है। एग्ज़ाम्स आपको कहाँ से देनी होगी और जो भी कौन कौन सी बच्चे हैं जिनके, यानी कि कौन कौन से सेमिस्टर्स हैं, कौन कौन से ईयर्स हैं जिनके 70% सिलेबस एग्ज़ाम्स में आने वाला है और किनका 100% आने वाला है, ये कंप्लीट डिटेल्स मैंने इस वीडियो में आपको बताई है। तो अगर आपने ये वीडियो अभी तक पहले वाली नहीं देखी थी तो ये वीडियो आपको पूरी देखनी है एंड तक, ताकि आपको सारी डिटेल्स मालूम लग सके। और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना, ताकि आपको जो भी पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी की या बाकी यूनिवर्सिटी की जो भी अपडेट्स हैं वो मिलती रहे, और साथ ही साथ जो आपको जॉब अपडेट्स हैं वो भी मिलती रहे। तो चलिए वीडियो करते हैं हम स्टार्ट। After a long wait by students, the examination department of the Savitribai Phule Pune University has released a circular specifying the details of exams of the first semester October-November 2020 for first to final year degree students to be conducted online in multiple choice questions format from 10 April. The examination will be 1 hour and the 50 marks question prepare will have 60 MCQ questions, of which 50 correct answers will be done by the students. The circular states that mock exams would be held on April 7 and the final exam timetable would be released by March 25 on the website. Students will be sent all details of the examination through SMS and email, but candidates will have to ensure to send the correct number email for communication. According to the circular, most programs including BA and BCom for external students has been completed and 100% of the syllabus would be considered while setting exam papers. Since the academic session for professional courses such as pharmacy, engineering, law, and began on February 6, as per the advice of the Board of Studies of these faculties, exams will be based on 70% syllabus of that particular unit. The marks of theory papers for the first semester will be made available to students through the student profile system, and the results of various faculties would be released in phases. As and when the students are announced, forms for March-April 2021 examinations would be made available. The printed results would be given after both semester exams are conducted. Next, the exams of a few first year regular will be conducted in online MCQ format or college level, such as BA 2013 pattern, Commerce BBA Computer Application, and BBA International Business in 2016 pattern, and more such subjects in the same manner as prescribed by the university. The internal or sectional exams should be conducted online remote using the means available at the college institute, and marks will be uploaded in the university. The circular specifies that if for any reason the exam session is logged out, then the time will be given to the candidates. Previous answers will automatically be stored in the system, and the only remaining questions and specified time will be provided. The circular further specifies that the photocopies of answer sheets will not be made available for the online MCQ based tests. The theory results of only those students whose internal in semester exams have been sent by concerned colleges will be declared, and only such students will get final mark sheets after both semester marks examinations are conducted. So students, if you face any difficulties while giving examinations, then for any queries or complaints regarding the pattern of examinations, or even later about difficulties faced in giving examinations, students can register complaints at sps.unipune.ac.in. This is the official website of SPPU, where you can register your complaints regarding the examination glitches. I hope students, now you all have an idea about the examinations, and still if you face any problem or you have any doubt, then you can comment below in the comment section box. I will definitely reply you. I hope your video seems to be very interesting, and it is beneficial to all the respected students. I hope students you will definitely going to share my video with your colleagues and with your college mates. And up till now, if you haven't subscribed my this YouTube channel, then do subscribe this YouTube channel. I will be highly obliged by you.